Well, I have one special camera for you. This small one, probably it's a reset button. Model smx-c200pb /xeu. Well, it's very interesting. It's like a fish well, you know. View lens are see in this, yes, and if you want to make some movie, you should do this, and lens were horizontal, yes, looks up, yes, looks up, yes. I never ever saw see this type of construction, yes. Okay, let's shoot down. It's mini USB. This thing also have a special charger. It's from England, yes. It's from United Kingdom, I mean. This is a special charger. Five volts, 1.5 amps, yes. But it's from United Kingdom, yes. Okay. There are card slot, yes. This is this is probably well, it's a battery, yes. It's a battery. Smart auto. No card. Smart auto. What does that mean? There is English also. I choose Russian language. Well, it's French, Dutch, Italian, Spain, Portuguese, Italian, Svenska, Suomi, Norsk, Dansk, Polski, Slovenski, Magyar, Romania, Bulgarsk, Serbski, Ukrainian, Russian. Let's choose English. What's that mean? Slovensky, no. Let me choose English. Okay, and here is a menu. Okay. Well, it's, I think, well, there is no card, yes. There is no card at all. And I don't want to buy this camera. It cost 20 euros, but I don't want to buy it. Okay. You can choose this, yes. It's 1.9, probably 1.9 megapixel, and it's nothing. It's not impressed me much. This camera is probably from the middle of the 2000s, yes. And maybe it's late of 2000s, maybe. I don't know about a year. I should see a year. Maybe there is a year. What shit is that? Okay, first of all about this, okay? Shoot down the camera. Shoot down the camera. Samsung. Yes, okay. Shoot down the camera. What about this accessories? Okay. United Kingdom. Wow, you can even choose your file to computer, to YouTube, ready to YouTube. Wow, very interesting model. When maybe if it's thing cost 10 euros, maybe I buy it, but 20 euros, it's very big money. Here's this camera. Is there any service warranty or something? When it made, maybe. Warranty. Service warranty. Oh. Service warranty, and what how do you do today? Oh, let's check something. Comet when it was by 2010 12 December 27, yes, 2010. United Kingdom, USA, and its camera in 2010. This camera cost 139 pounds, yes. Okay. Okay, 1000. Very interesting. Truly yours, faithfully yours, useful info. Useful info. Very interesting. Comet. What's about a comet? George Street. Okay. In 2010, this camera was really good. My camera, this camera, made in 2014. Yes, and this one made in 2010. Okay, we have stereo, audio, video, and stereo. I mean, we have this one. Yes. Oh, not bad. We have this. Oh, also record mode. Memory card up to 16 gigabytes. Inside. Ergonomic design. Angle 25 degrees. Wow. Cool. Upload Bluetooth. Oh. Bluetooth. Plug and play. Okay. What's the deck? Yes, what's the deck? Nothing special. And what do we have in this box? Memory cam, shirt, shear and style, Samsung. Easy, ready to YouTube. A smart auto, USB. Charging, yes, you can charge this camera by USB. Megapixels, 1.9 megapixels, yes. Battery time, range 116 battery time. Carry case including, wow, memory cam. Well, this one very old camera. Yes. PC requirement. Well, it doesn't cost 20 euros really after 9 years. Okay. And do this. It's CD. Well, it's like software or something, I don't know. Okay, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay. This. Okay. Okay, this. And others. Okay, tell me, is it good camera or not so good? Well, I think it's not bad camera for 2010. Yes, it's not bad. It even can make a pictures. Yes, this one even can make a pictures. Maybe it's good camera. Well, I hope you like this review. Maybe you want to see data, I mean file I should find SDHC and try to make some movie. Yes. Okay, goodbye friends. See you next time. Maybe I try to find a card. Yes. Okay, goodbye. Okay, I make some movie on my Samsung camera. It is my... What about autofocus? Well, I don't know. Make some movie out this camera, yes? Samsung camera. Yes, I can choose this angle. Choose a correct angle, yes. Well, it's low light, yes. Low light, when you want to see a good light, you should choose this, yes. You should choose this. Oh my goodness. It's good light, yes. Wow, it's low light, it's good light, yes. Okay. This camera called Samsung yes, smx-c200pb PAL, yes. Okay. Well, it's not that camera, but it's made in 2010, and I mean this camera made in 2010, yes. And it's very unusual angle, 25 degrees angle, to choose the correct, yes. It's very unusual for me. Okay. Okay, it will be enough. I think it will be enough. See you in the next scene. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye. Goodbye.